power of two!
And every year, at the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others. Plunging into the gap, shrieking like a lost soul. Percy, what the fuck are you even talking about? Yes, Percy, what the fuck are you talking about? Are you gone insane or something? Do I have to take you to the hospital? There's nothing to explain. I'm just telling you the driver saw the ghost train last night. Oh, really then? Where then? Oh, he didn't say, but it makes my wheels wobble just to think of it. Or really, what about goblins and zombies? Where the fuck are all the zombies? Come on, Percy. We all know ghost trains don't exist. But they do! My driver saw them! Percy, everyone knows ghost trains don't exist. They're just made up just to scare little engines like you. What? No! Whatever. I don't have time for your games. I got important business to do, you silly little engine. Twat. The next day, Percy told his driver. Thomas didn't believe your story last night, driver. But his driver was confused. What are you talking about, Percy? You know, about the ghost train you saw. Oh, I get it. Oh yeah, that was fake. I beg your pardon? There was no ghost train. I just saw the story on TV, so I told you about it. Oh, Percy felt very silly. I told you, Percy! Oh, just jump off a bridge, you piece of shit. And with that, Percy went off to work. It was nighttime when Percy came back from the harbor. Percy loved puffing down the branchlight in the middle of the night, cause he's a creepo. Crow's Farm Crossing, we shan't be long, said Percy. But little did they know they were heading to trouble. A cart filled with cocaine was stuck on the level crossing. Terrence the tractor had run off to get help. Oh crap, shit! Percy crashed the cart into smithereens. Cocaine went everywhere. They made it to the nearest signal box where Toby was waiting. Oh yeah, that is some good shit, Toby. Yeah. Jesus Christ, what the fuck happened to you? The driver explained to Toby and the signalman. I see. Well, you better clean Percy or people will think he's a ghost. And with that, Percy got an idea. Oh, let's pretend I'm a ghost and scare Thomas. That's what teach him for calling me a silly engine. Ooh, can I join? But why would I need you? Come on, please, I want to be in this episode. Okay then, fine. Yes! And Toby went off to get Thomas. Or look for Thomas, wherever. Thomas was just being oiled up for his evening trains when Toby came in looking very scared. Thomas! You won't believe this! Percy's got an accident! Oh, poor engine. Bulleration! That means I'll be late. Wait, you really don't care that Percy got into an accident? Calm down, Toby. I was just joking. What seems to be the problem? Percy has crashed into a tanker and he's fucking dead! Damn, that's gotta suck. But there's more, Thomas. What do you mean more? I have seen Percy's ghost. He said he was coming here to warn us. Ha! You were just seeing things. Calm down, Toby. I'll take good care of you until my next train. What was that? He's here, Thomas. Let me in! Let me in! Hello, Percy. No, stay back, you fucking thing! Go back to the depths of hell where you came from. I'll chuff. And I'll puff. And I let myself in. Ghost! And Thomas shot out of the sheds and ran away from the ghost train. The next day, Thomas went to the shunting yard to collect Annie and Clarabelle. Well, where the hell have you been? Oh, me, well, I knew you'd be sad for Percy, and I just didn't want to intrude. So I decided to sleep in the goods shed and... Oh, sorry, Toby. Can I get going? Can I be late? Percy got back from the works being cleaned. Fucking Charlie was cross with him, but not for scaring Thomas, but for stealing his cocaine. So, is Thomas still scared? Huh, yes he is. Well then, it looks like Thomas have seen a ghost. I get it? No, I don't get it. Fuck you, Toby. Huh, that's strange. The fog is starting to come in. But the weather never said anything about fog. Percy, did you hear that? That sounded like an engine, but I never heard that whistle before. Okay, where's that sound coming from? Don't worry, Toby, it's probably Thomas teasing us. Nice try, Thomas, you're not gonna get us. But Thomas has a passenger train. Trust me, it's just him playing a trick on us. Percy, I'm literally getting freaked out now. It's just a joke. I bet you're probably into this too. Percy, I promise you, I am not part of this. I'm literally freaking out. For God's sake. Thomas, can you stop playing with us, okay? Listen, I know it's you, Thomas, so stop it. For God's sake. Can you believe this, Toby? 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 Okay, you're part of this too. It's not funny. Thomas! Toby! Guys? Okay, this is starting to freak me out now. Please tell me that's you, Thomas.